Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm thrilled to unveil a straightforward yet incredibly lucrative trading strategy that anyone can quickly understand and become skilled at. Once you've mastered this strategy, you'll find that you won't need any other complicated strategies. So, let's jump straight into the details of this highly effective trading strategy. Head over to TradingView.com. Once you're there, select the gold chart, which will serve as our focus for this strategy. Top up over to the Indicators tab and search for Black Pica Trend Trader and this create by Pica to add it to your chart. Then open Setting, and go to Input tab. Here change signal mode, change normal to sensitive after change period 110 to 200 and here uncheck RSI take profit. Now move to Style tab, here all uncheck leave buy and sell only. Now you can enter trades with the buy from the indicator. And here sell signals from the indicator, but hold on, you're not quite done with the strategy yet because we need to filter out some signals in a specific market conditions like ranging trends. So go back to the Indicators tab, once more add indicator, and search for EMA difference and select EMA difference histogram and stochastic indicator by Wugamlo. Add this indicator to your chart as well. We can see here EMA difference histogram and stochastic indicator. Just like the previous one, this indicator also needs some optimizations before you use it in your strategy. Now go to gear icon and first change in input tab, we can see here EMA 1 change 8 to 30. Now move EMA 2 change 24 to 60. Next %K smooth we change 6 to 8. And %D. Smooth 3 to 6. Stochastic length 14 to 21. Now move to Style tab and adjust histogram color, we can see here now. The indicator comes with two colors, green and red, which can either confirm or reject signals. So when the histogram bar is positive and green, it confirms a buy signal. Similarly, if the histogram bar is negative and red, it confirms a sell signal. Check out the next example to get the hang of it. In this example, a buy signal was generated, the corresponding histogram is not green, so that not confirm this signals and do not enter any position. However, in this same example, a buy signal was generated and the corresponding histogram is green and positive. This means that the signal is confirmed and you can consider entering a trade with it. Trust me, you'd have incurred losses if you went ahead with that trade. So this oscillator does a great job filtering signals. Moving forward to next selling example, here see a sell signal is appropriately confirmed by a red histogram. This means that the signal is confirmed and you can consider entering a trade with it. Alright, let's move on to the next phase. Back to the indicator tab we go. And this time, let's search for 10 and 1 different moving averages and select this one by Himanshu and add this indicator to your chart. Now in this step, we're going to increase the indicator's period to capture long-term trends. So some change in setting. One setting and select input section, change EMA to SMA and period 200 to 400. Now move to Style tab, set color to clear visible. Then click to OK. Now here's the deal. When the moving average line is positioned below the price, we're looking at a potential upward trend in the market. Conversely, when the moving average is above the price, we're likely dealing with long-term downward trend in the market. This trick helps us consistently trade in the market's direction, which can increase our success rate and, of course, our profit percentage. So now it's time to establish the entry and exit rules for your trades. First things first. Let's dive into entry rules for buy trade. To initiate a long position, we need the first indicator to generate a valid buy signal. In the subsequent phase, paying attention to the fact that this buy signal corresponds to a long-term ascending trend in the market, which means the moving average should be positioned below the price. Lastly, in the final stage, I'll examine the histogram, ensuring it's displaying positive and green bars. So now with all these conditions met, you've got yourself a valid signal. Now you're ready to open up a buy position. Then consider using wrist and swing low as your stop-loss level. Ultimately, target set is 1:1.5 risk to reward ratio. Now we can see how to place out this trade. won this trade. And to move to a short position, we'll start by waiting for the first indicator to give us a solid sell signal. As we move on, it's crucial to note that this sell signal should align with a long-term downward trend in the market. Consequently, the moving average needs to be positioned above the price candles. In the final phase, turn your attention to the histogram. Confirm that it's showing negative and red bars. So once all these criteria comes together, you've got yourself another valid signal, this time for selling. Now you're set to open that sell position. Consider using the recent swing high as your stop-loss reference. And for the risk-reward ratio, target of 1 to 1.5. As with any strategy, you can't win them all. Now let's test this strategy on the GBP US dollar pair 5-minute time frame. We can see that most of the trades are profitable, so check paper trading before live trading. This is actually very important because when you're scalping, every single pips counts. And if you're using a broker with a wide spread, you will have a hard time making a profit. So join the IC market and enjoy zero spread, link in the description. So in the event you take an entry and it's a losing trade and then there happens to be another signal, you can take another attempt. But I would not recommend doing more than 2 trades per overlay setup. A little bit of patience with practice is surely going to make this best scalping strategy. Use this strategy and make sure to share it with your friend whom you want to be successful with. We bring these amazing indicator and strategy videos for completely free so you can learn something new and make your trading journey successful. Make sure to subscribe the channel so you receive daily updates from us. Who knows which strategy can change your life forever? So make sure to subscribe. Hope you learned something new this video. Thanks for watching our video.